Apple is finally enabling the magic eraser on the iPhone, although for now it is in a beta stage. Yes, if you don't like Apple very much, you might be saying that feature has been in my Xiaomi since 2020. And indeed, Xiaomi already had a feature to remove people from its photographs that worked quite well, but it never had enough power or strategy to sell its devices based on these features. It was not until Samsung started with Galaxy AI that this artificial intelligence trend began to gain popularity. Apple arrived a bit late to the party, but it is finally enabling this feature through the latest version of iOS 18 in beta phase, so this update is not yet available to all users unless you are registered as a developer. Apple named this feature Cleanup, and its functionality is very similar to other tools. It will automatically suggest removing certain people, but if you want, you can enclose or paint over a person or object to try to eliminate it. The performance honestly leaves a lot to be desired in some scenarios. In other scenarios, it works very well. However, it is important to remember that it is in a beta phase, so it is still being tested. Surely, when it is available to all users, it will be much more refined. Interestingly, before using this option for the first time, the device will download a package. So the important thing here is that all this processing is done directly on the iPhone, unlike the tools from Google Photos or Galaxy AI and other manufacturers that require an internet connection. However, it seems that services requiring an internet connection have much greater accuracy when it comes to using artificial intelligence to fill in the gaps left after removing these people or objects. So, let's wait. I tell you that this is still in a beta phase. Hopefully, as time goes by, it will improve, and if that happens, it would be a very pleasant and interesting option, and above all, superior to the competitors because it won't require an internet connection. So as usual, even though Apple is arriving very late to the party, the truth is that it usually does a good job.